Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button right now. I post new videos every week, so stay tuned for more content. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. In this video, we're going to talk about my YouTube income. So the purpose of this video is definitely not to show off. I'm not trying to show off. I don't think that there's really much to show off anyways, but the purpose of this video is mostly to just like motivate you guys. You know, if you guys are new to YouTube and are trying to start a channel, if you guys have been on YouTube for quite a while but you're trying to get monetized, this is just to kind of motivate you guys, because if I can do it, I know that you can do it as well. And I just wanted to show you guys, I don't know, I find these videos interesting and I like to watch a lot of them, and I get curious. So I feel like people are curious. I can show you guys how much I made. We're gonna go into the YouTube Studio app and I'll show you guys exactly how much I made for the past 2 months straight from the app itself. So stay tuned till the end of this video so that you guys can see. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I'm gonna put the card right here, the I'm finally monetized video. That'll explain how to get monetized, and it gives you some tips and tricks and things to do. So make sure you watch that video. All right, so I was finally monetized the end of October. So it was the last day of October, October 31st. I got the notification that I was finally monetized. So we're gonna check out how much I made on that one day. I'm gonna put the screen record right here. So you can see for the month of October, I made $5.21. That's just for the one day that I was monetized. October 31st, I made $5.21. How cool is that? It's $5 more than I had before. So, and of course it was only $5, so you can cash out. So I did not get paid the month of November. If I had had at least $100 in my Google AdSense account, I would have gotten paid November 21st, but I didn't get paid because I only made $5 in the month of October. Now we're gonna move into November. So November was my first month, like my first full month on YouTube. So this is gonna be my first paycheck. I actually already got paid. I got paid on December 22nd or so. I think it's supposed to be the 21st, but they actually paid it out directly into my bank account on December 20 something. It wasn't the 21st, it was probably a couple of days after the 21st. And I was like, oh my God. Anyways, I made for the month of November, from November 1st to November 30th, I made $482.34. So that is my YouTube income exposed. It's not like millions of dollars, it's not even thousands of dollars, but it is a few hundreds. So that actually makes me really happy. It makes me very hopeful for the future of my channel. I feel like I can go so much further than this, and it just motivates me to keep going, like to keep upping that number. And of course, I don't do this for the money. I do enjoy making videos. If you don't enjoy making videos, then don't even start a YouTube channel. I enjoy making videos. I enjoy editing them. I enjoy posting them. It's like my hobby, and it makes me super happy to do it. And the fact that I can make money doing something that I love to do, that is just amazing. So my goal this year is to kind of try to beat that number that I made the previous month before. I'm trying to beat that number every month and make it a little bit higher. So we're going into month 2. The month of December just finished, so I should be getting paid my second YouTube check January 21st, if all goes well. So I just got the calculations of how much my payment is going to be for the month of December, and I did reach my goal, which made me so happy. I did beat the previous month by a little bit. My next check is going to be $511.24. So I beat it by a little bit. It's not like a whole bunch more, but I beat it by a little bit, and that's my goal this year, is to kind of beat it every month a little bit, until, like, you know, I'm making a decent amount. Now I'm gonna show you guys, I've made the most amount of money off of this one video. It tells you your top earning videos. This one video is just like killing it. For the lifetime, this is I'm showing you guys the lifetime amount. So this is from the first day I got monetized on October 31st all the way till today. I've made off of this one video lose 10 pounds in a day. I've made $915. So this video kind of went viral. This is the video that kind of boosted my account and got me a lot more subscribers and got me monetized. Basically, I kind of owe it to this video. It has 275,000 views, and it has made $915.74. That is crazy. So I'm kind of waiting for that next viral video to kind of boost me up a little bit more and make me some cash, because if all of those views had been while I was monetized, that actually happened before I was monetized. That video was getting so many views. If all of those views had been while I was monetized, I feel like I would have made so much more. So I'm waiting for that one video to kind of just like boom, you know. It's just so exciting. Now the second video that has made the most money is I tried the Murad Multi Acid Peel for 7 days for my acne. It has made $28. So you see, that's a big difference. And that one only has 9,981 views. So it's not bad, but it's not like the first video. The first video is like, that is my most viewed video. I do not have any other video that even like compares to that video. So I need to like up my content, get my content together and up my game a little bit. One of my biggest goals for 2020 is to get multiple streams of income. So I am so glad that this now YouTube is one of my streams of income. I am now working on getting my affiliate links together. I'm working on maybe some merch or paid products. I am working on brand sponsorships and pitching some brands right off the bat. I started off on January 1st. I'm trying to start this year off like with a bang. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick video to kind of motivate you guys to keep on going on your YouTube journey if that is your goal. I just wanted to show you guys my YouTube income exposed because I love to watch these type of videos. They motivate me to keep on going and do so much more. And I hope that that is what I'm accomplishing here. I want to motivate you guys. If you guys are starting a YouTube channel, go ahead, get that content out there. You guys are going to do great. Just keep going. And one day you will get there. You will reach your goals if you work towards them. And just to do a quick recap, for the month of October, I was monetized for 1 day and I made $5.21. For the month of November, which I was monetized for, that was my first full month being monetized, I made $482.34, and they direct deposited that into my bank account. I was so happy that day. Oh my gosh. And then now for the month of December, my second month being monetized, I made $511.24. Thank you guys so much. I am so grateful for every single subscriber. I am so grateful for every single view that I receive. Leave some comments down below on what your YouTube channel goals are for the year 2020. I have so many goals. I want to reach at least 10,000 subscribers this year, and I feel like I know that I can reach that. I'm gonna do it. I want to put out so much content. I have this whole list of videos that I want to do, so get ready, guys. Let me know your YouTube goals in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.